Hi everyone, welcome to Anmol Power BI Corner. So we have started this new series in which in each video we will discuss one Power BI interview question and we will tell you how you can answer in the interview if that question will arise. So we will starting from the basics and with each video we will move toward the advanced part. For this video the question is what is Power BI? If these questions arise in your interview question, then generally what most of the people do is they will say that Power BI is a business intelligence tool which is used to visualize data. That's all. But to stand out of all the others, how you can answer is Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft for the data visualization purpose. In Power BI, we can import the raw data and then we can transform it and analyze it using DAX measures. We can create measures, we can create calculated columns, and after it we can also create various type of visualization within Power BI. And once the development is completed, then we can also share Power BI reports and dashboards with the end user. So this is the complete purpose of Power BI, which is developing an end-to-end report or dashboard using the raw data and sharing it with the end users. This is all about how you can answer what is Power BI. For more tips and for more questions, keep following Anmol Power BI Corner and like and subscribe the video. See you in the next video.